Hey, we're here at the scrapyard. We're getting rid of the ScamG. Bye-bye, ScamG. Send it! In order to take this off, you have to take this screw out right there, and then gingerly just pop. Everything else comes out. You can see down the back side there, and now we can pop all those buttons out and we can remove this part of the panel. Okay, so we're back in the Infiniti here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this out because I want to get these pieces out, but I feel like in order to do that, and I had a video on doing this a long time ago because I changed the deck in my buddy's car, but we never got that published. And I think it's just like simple, like pulling this stuff up. And I'm probably overthinking it, as I usually do. Man, there's so many quarters in here. This thing's gonna make me filthy rich. And by filthy, I mean poor. Oh, it's all one flipping piece, is it? Oh, yes. Oh, money. And then I gotta take the other side off, so we're moving over to the other side. If in doubt, beat it out.
Let's not lose our cool. Then we're no better than the machine.
Go dummy, go peace, oh no. I go peace, go deep, I-O-D, oh no. I-O-D, apply pressure, put heat, oh no.
Even this thing wants to fight, eh? Just freaking stupid. Holy cow. Like, unfreaking believable, fellas. we're going to try to remove the steering wheel. And the best way I know to remove a steering wheel is you get something on the end there and go bang. And then sometimes you're not so lucky, and I'm going to yes. There we go. Comes off. What did I attach to now? Oh, I see. Out. Ta-da! Perhaps. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not happy about taking all this out because I'm pretty sure the interior and the other car is fine, but whatever. I'm committed now, so I gotta take a break. I gotta relax a little bit, and then I'll go at it later on. Oh, I am feeling. I'm feeling excellent. I feel like a champ. So you can use a puller to get these off, but I don't have one. Well, I probably do somewhere. Okay, next we'll get to taking this dash out. Happy days. here at the scrapyard. We're getting rid of the ScamG. Bye-bye, ScamG. Send it! Yeah, buddy! That's some pretty good glass. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Woo! Sketchy. Alright, I'm gonna pull forward. Woo-hoo. That's awesome. That was satisfying. Bye, you ugly pile of crap.